Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's still me, your girl Mimi's Glam here, and I've brought to you another gele tutorial on here on my channel. So if you are interested in knowing how to tie a round bridal gele, then definitely keep on watching. So first off, I am using a long, not really long gele, like 75 in length gele, 75. So I divided it into two, and I'm trying to like measure it backwards to know, like I want to use 70-30 measurement. So I'm measuring it right now, and yeah, I already get my 70-30. For how to know the length of your gele and then how to measure it, I'm going to do another video, a detailed video about that, and link it up somewhere here, or definitely I'm going to post it after this video. So guys, enjoy watching this video. What I'm trying to do now is I'm laying the pleats. I picked like 2 to 4 pleats, and then I'm aligning it for it to lay very well. Yes, and right now I'm going to do the other side. Now I'm extending the pleats, extending it to the sides of the hairs, after which I'm going to go back. Right now I'm showing you guys the back view of the gele. I'm putting this shorter hand upward while the longer hand is going downward. The reason is because the longer hand is still going all the way around to the back. I'm still going to use the longer hand to create pleats on the shorter hand, on the pleats we already have before. So I'm trying to extend the pleats from the one I was bringing up from the upper parts. So I'm trying to bring it back to the front, just to continue with the pleats. So right now I'm picking my pleats, picking it one by one. I'm picking my pleats one by one, laying it on top of each other. Like the first pleat I created was like separating from each other with like one inch or half inch, let's say. So this next pleat I'm creating presently, I'm putting it on top of each other, like you create one pleat on top another pleat. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to create those pleats until I don't have any leftover gele. I'm going to create those pleats until I don't have any leftover gele. So on top of each other, so it will be able to like increase the height of the gele and make it look better. So I'm trying to extend the pleats right now to the back, to the size of the hairs, then to the back. After, when you are doing your pleats, just be careful because it can be tasking sometimes. You need to follow the pleats you have been bringing from the sides to the other sides of one hair to the other hair, so you won't miss your pleats. You need to be careful. And yeah, you can see what I'm doing right there. I'm trying to follow the pleats. I don't want to miss my pleat, like arrange it so that it will look very, very neat and aligned. So I'm moving to the size of the hair, and I'm just trying to extend the pleats to the back. I'm just trying to extend the pleats to the back. Take your time. You can always take your time to extend your pleat, like to arrange your pleats very well so that it will come out very, very nice and lovely. So as you guys can see, I started picking the pleats from the front parts and I'm taking it to the back, so everything will be in place. As you guys can see, this is the back view, and I'm still picking the pleats up to the back. The reason for this is so that this side of the hair can be the same with the other side of the hair. You know, we're already bringing a pleat from the other side of the hair. So we just reach this side and cannot just tie it like that. You need to extend the pleat so that everything can come together. As you guys can see here, this is what I meant by what I was doing. You can see both sides have pleats, like as you guys can see, everything is aligned and coming together. So right now I tied the gele once at the back, and I'm coming back to the front to arrange my gele, arrange the pleats very well before I go ahead to tie my gele the second time. So this is me tying my gele the second time. So okay, this is me. I went to tie the gele. That's my first tying, and I'm trying to arrange the pleats so it will come together and look nice. Always arrange your pleats before you finish, like before you secure your knots at the back. Don't just tie. As you guys can see, I took my time to arrange the pleats, and as you can see, it's coming out very, very nice. And yeah, after that I found that I'm okay with the pleats, and I went ahead to tie the second knot at the back just to secure the gele. Here, assuming if I was with a pin, I would have used a pin to hold the gele together and show you guys how it is done, but I think I will do another video about that where everything will be complete and detailed. But for the meantime, enjoy this. And yeah, I'm trying to move the gele to the back just to be on the hairline, to make sure the gele is on the hairline and it looks very, very nice on the model. So as you guys can see, as I said earlier, you need to arrange your pleats very well. If you find out you don't like what you are seeing by yourself, you just need to keep on arranging and arranging. So I kept on arranging when I found out that I didn't like what I was seeing. Like, I kept on arranging. So you have to take your time. Don't just do woo to the answer. Keep on arranging and make it neat. And that's what I was doing right here. As you guys can see, our round gele is ready. So that is that about today's tutorial. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. If you end up enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you want to know in the comment section. Let me ask any question you want to know or you'd like to know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to reply to all comments. So until the next video, I'll see you guys. Bye.